Going 6 to base.
Hold on, Maury. We're taking you to hospital.
Guys? Cold. It's so cold.
I know. We'll be at the hospital soon. You'll get nice and warm there.
Go ahead, Jack.
Can you advise Fisher Hospital? I have one female adult with serious gunshot wound to abdomen.
Hold on. Just hold on.
I'll never forget what you did for me, for us. You just look after her, okay? So sorry about your friend. I'll pray for her.
You'll need to follow us to the station, sir, so we can get a statement.
Sure.
So tragic. Tried just so hard to save everything and it's ended up like this. Let's go. Hey! Hey! She's going to be all right, okay? Moira's strong. She's not going to let this beat her, okay? She's going to be all right. And Grace, she knows what she's doing.
It's just, I ran.
You did everything you could. You could not have done any more, okay?
I can't lose anyone else.
I know. I got you. Okay.
Yeah.
Come on.
How's she doing?
She's lost so much blood. Moira, can you hear me? Can't this thing go any faster?
I'm doing everything I can.
Well, do more, please.
Can't go any further.
I want to be with her.
I'm sorry.
Still in, Peter. Any word on how much longer?
Any more?
No, not since I spoke to you.
I might go and see what I can find out. You okay?